So a major lesson and a major premise to day trading is even if you have a system, well, you should have a system, but when you have a system, you have to be willing to recognize the market's mood and break your system. You have to. Otherwise, you're going to miss out on these huge rips, and then you're going to be stuck in consolidation for months, days, weeks, or months, winning 100, losing 100, winning 100, losing 100. You know how they say let your winners run? This is part of it. The market is, well, you're trading on news, but the market is people. These are people that are making this move. It's not anything else. It's the news and how people feel about things. So what happens is if you have a person that's even all the time, it comes in, they're not happy, they're not sad, they're just normal guy. But then one day you recognize he comes in, this is a CPI data, this is the PPI data, and you say, man, this dude's really up today. It looks like he's going to blast off, and then he blasts off, you've got to jump in. You can't wait on a 50% pullback or a pullback to the high of pre-market or the low of pre. It's just not going to work. You have to recognize what's going on and jump in and just go for it. So in other words, you need to be able to recognize enough to on the days to break your system, break your edge, break your strategy, and take these huge days. That was the ES futures. Here's the NQ. Same thing here. Almost exactly the same. This is a 280 point rip. So a couple shares, you're talking $700-800. 3 shares over $1,000. So you've got to recognize these days because that's what's going to happen. You're going to be stuck in here, losing 100, making 100, losing 100. Basically, if you missed out on this, you missed out on, if this is your strategy and you're trading on days like this, and you miss out on this, you just missed out on a week to several weeks worth of trading in one day.